show me how to do an intro.
An intro? We gotta work on this.
The man did an intro a minute ago at a gas station, and I was like, damn, that's how that's done. Okay, do it. Go.
Give it a try.
Go. Okay, never mind. He sucks.
We can go ahead and say, let me think how we can do. What's going on, everybody? This is Professional Monkeys channel. We're out here on Needles Highway today, showing you a good time. We got the beard.
Wait. We're showing you a good time?
I hope so. Are you showing them something?
I mean, where'd I come from?
I mean,
look at the camera geek. I guess that's the new intro, stupid shit, and then, yeah, okay, we're gonna show you a good time. I just realized with backdrops this nice, it doesn't work without the wife here. Like, it's just, yeah, come on. This is my stand-in wife. Just pretend that she's suddenly Latin. That's not it.
A little bit taller.
But that's one place to go have a picnic. I mean, no, really. I mean, you know, but
Really nice date.
it would just be me going, ba-dum, you know, just like bloody spots along the rocks, like.
No. There'd be bloody marks on the trees too.
I do all my own stunts.
You'd be pinballing. Like Plinko.
Plinko, like a
ding. Jackpot, you have done.
Dead.
are you live right now? Are you going
No. I don't think there's any signal up here, huh? So, how was the trike?
Better than walking.
But you said you actually liked it. You liked
I
it.
do.
This is the first time Needles on the trike, right? Yeah. I was kind of concerned that you'd be like, oh, it's boring, or it's this,
Well, I
yeah.
did it on a freewheeler before.
You did? You did?
Yeah.
Never mind. That was anticlimactic and stupid. Hi. Say something.
Something.
He's,
I can tell you that I'm about ready for a beer.
He's camera shy.
I haven't trained to do this sober.
So our buddy Brian, who's here, I can't remember if I've said that before, but we were at, where the hell were we? Somewhere in Costco.
Entrance to the Wildlife Loop in 18 or 1927.
We started early, and he comes out of the place with a 12-pack of Coors Light and just cracks it open and just like chugs the beer and just standing there and goes, ah. He hadn't had a beer all day, and he was like, I haven't practiced sober. I didn't learn sober. Like, he goes, this shit is dangerous. Like,
Says to be prepared. He has to train to get ready.
no voice. Too much of this for 3 days.
I haven't really talked myself. I sent a few clips. We're just throwing out like tricks, reels, and TikToks and shit.
We'll check it. So today is, I'm gonna do like an actual intro. Welcome to the Professional Monkey Channel, your destination for everything Sturgis. I can't do that shit. We're gonna go see titties at a bar today. We're at Topless Tuesday. I feel like it's fitting that I pulled into this field and there's a big pile of shit next to my bike. I mean, like, big stands, and it's appropriate.
Oh, wait. There you go. Some titties.
Woo! Woo! All right. Spring break! All right. Yeah, my voice is gone. So we're going to go. I'm not going to film much in here because I want to make a lot of you disappointed. We're going to make you disappointed. Go to fucking Pornhub. Like, stop going to YouTube videos trying to see topless chicks. Like, we're going to walk around. We're going to do what we can do and maybe talk to some people and stuff. But I'm not going to be filming a stage and no bullshit like that because there's entire websites devoted to it. Go look at those. Sorry. And this is amazing also. My friend here had libations in his tour pack. and he's racist and gave me a mojito because I have a Cuban wife. He was like, yeah, you drink this stuff, right? That's not really how it went down, but that's what I'm going to say happened.
Because we're missing her.
We're missing the bride,
her.
so I'm having a Cuban
so I packed
mojito.
it for you.
Oh, that's good. It tastes nothing like a mojito, but it's good.
So, I'm just gonna say it here.
It's full of Topless Tuesday. 12 something. Yeah.
What was it? Wax Ball Wednesday
Wax Ball Wednesday's not nearly as much fun as it sounds.
Puppy Friday.
and Itchy Ball Saturday. So we're at Topless Tuesday right now, and I apologize. We're seeing lots of awesomenessitude that way, but I ain't gonna film it. Why? Because you guys know how I feel about that. There's a website for that. Tonguefingering.com. Tonguefingering.com. So I'm gonna film that. Why? Because more fun is had when there's no video. So I apologize. Love y'all with that. We'll check back in later.
So one thing I have to document, hopefully there's not too much wind. Urinal trough overrun. Yeah, that's a river of piss. Isn't that nice? That's just so like, that's luxurious South Dakota vacation.